With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, a carton of 24 bulbs contains 6 defective bulbs. One bulb is drawn at random. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Now, if the bulb selected is defective and it is not replaced, and a second bulb is selected at random from the rest, what is the probability that the second bulb is defective? Okay, so total number of bulbs is equals to 24, which is equals to total possible outcome for case 1. Okay, now in case 1 he is saying that probability that the bulb is not defective. Now defective bulb is equals to 6. Let E1 be the event such that bulb is not defective. So this is equals to 24 minus 6, which is equals to 18. Okay, let NE1 is equals to 18. Now we know that probability is equals to total favorable outcomes whole divided by total possible outcomes. Okay, which is equals to NE1 whole divided by NS, and our NE1 is equals to 18 and possible outcomes is 24. Now cancel each term by 6. This is equals to 6 into 3, 6 into 4. So the probability for case 1 is equals to 3 by 4. Okay, probability for case 1 is 3 by 4. Now in the second condition he is saying if the selected bulb is defective and is not replaced. Now in case 2 the selected bulb is defective, so remaining defective bulb is equals to 6 minus 1, which is equals to 5, and total number of bulbs this is equals to 24 minus 1, this is equals to 23. Okay, now he is saying that the probability such that the second bulb is defective. So let A2 be the event such that the selected bulb is defective, which is equals to 5 here. Now let NE2 is equals to 5. Now total possible outcomes, which is NS, or total number of bulbs in case 2, this is equals to 23. So in second case probability is equals to total favorable outcomes, which is 5, and possible number of outcomes is 23. So in the second case the probability such that the bulb is defective is 5 by 23. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.